Today I am reviewing the Dri-Eaz HEPA 700 Air Scrubber. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. What immediately sets the Dri-Eaz HEPA 700 apart is how unapologetically industrial it feels in use. This isn't a consumer air purifier pretending to be powerful. At up to 700 cubic feet per minute, the airflow is aggressive, consistent, and purposeful. In practice, that means you can feel the air being actively pulled across the room rather than passively circulated. On job sites, large rooms, or post-construction environments, this kind of airflow is exactly what you want, because stagnant air is the enemy when you're dealing with fine dust, drywall particles, mold spores, or lingering odors. Filtration performance is where the machine earns its reputation. The multi-stage system works the way a professional scrubber should. The pre-filter catches large debris and extends the life of the main filter, while the true HEPA filter does the heavy lifting by capturing extremely fine particles that would pass straight through cheaper systems. When used with the optional activated carbon filter, the unit also becomes surprisingly effective at odor control, which is critical in restoration work, water damage cleanup, or commercial spaces that need to be reopened quickly. In real-world use, you notice the difference not just visually but physically. The air feels cleaner, less irritating, and easier to breathe within a relatively short period of operation. One of the more impressive aspects of the HEPA 700 is how portable it is for a machine of this capability. It's lightweight enough to move without strain, stackable for transport, and designed to be ducted when needed. This flexibility makes it extremely practical for contractors and restoration professionals who need to control airflow direction or create negative air pressure zones. The fact that it can be quickly set up, repositioned, or integrated into a containment system without tools saves time on site, and time is money in professional environments. The touchscreen control panel is a surprisingly welcome feature on a machine like this. Instead of guesswork, you get clear control over airflow levels and direct feedback on filter health. In daily use, this removes a lot of uncertainty. You know when the filter is approaching its limit, you know how hard the system is working, and you can adjust performance based on the size of the space or the severity of contamination. It's not flashy, but it's functional, intuitive, and clearly designed for people who rely on their equipment to work without babysitting. Noise is exactly what you'd expect from a commercial air scrubber at this airflow level. It's not quiet, and it's not trying to be. In residential use, it's noticeable, but in construction sites, schools, hotels, or restoration projects, it blends into the background of normal operational noise. What matters more is that the sound corresponds to real work being done. You can hear the air moving, and that's reassuring rather than annoying when air quality is the priority. Build quality is robust and confidence-inspiring. The housing feels durable, the seals are solid, and nothing about the machine suggests fragility. This is equipment designed to be loaded into trucks, used in dusty environments, and run for extended periods without complaint. Over time, that reliability becomes one of its strongest selling points. You're not constantly worrying about overheating, airflow drops, or performance degradation beyond normal filter wear. Where the Dri-Eaz HEPA 700 really shines is versatility. While it's clearly aimed at professionals working in construction, restoration, and commercial cleaning, it also makes sense for large residential spaces when air quality is critical. Homes undergoing renovations, properties with severe dust issues, or situations involving smoke or allergens can benefit from a machine that actually moves and cleans air at scale, rather than just recirculating it slowly. This is not a machine you buy casually, and that's important to understand. It's an investment in performance, reliability, and serious air filtration. But for those who need that level of capability, the HEPA 700 delivers exactly what it promises. It doesn't oversell itself, it doesn't rely on gimmicks, and it doesn't pretend to be something it's not. It simply does the job, consistently and effectively. After extended use, the Dri-Eaz HEPA 700 earns trust. It's the kind of equipment you stop thinking about once it's running, because you know it's doing its job. For professionals and serious users who care about clean air in demanding environments, that reliability alone makes it worth considering.